Looking to set up a fast and reliable internet at home? The top 5 best router for beginners makes it easy with simple setup, strong coverage, and essential features. Get connected effortlessly and enjoy seamless browsing from day one. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. TP-Link Router for Beginners. The TP-Link Archer AX21V4 is an excellent choice for anyone starting out with home networking. Designed with simplicity and performance in mind, this dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router offers an impressive total bandwidth of 1.8 gigabits per second, delivering speeds up to 1,200 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band. This ensures smoother streaming, gaming, and downloading experiences, even when multiple devices are connected. Its Wi-Fi 6 technology, coupled with OFDMA communication, allows it to handle more devices simultaneously, making it perfect for busy households with smartphones, tablets, laptops, and smart home devices. The Archer AX21 also ensures extensive coverage with 4 high-gain antennas, advanced beamforming, and an FEM chipset, focusing signal strength to devices further away. Users benefit from a VPN server supporting both OpenVPN and PPTP, providing secure remote connections, while TP-Link's cybersecurity commitment through CIS's Secure by Design pledge adds an extra layer of trust. Setup is simple and works with all major internet service providers, including Comcast, Charter, AT&T, Verizon, and Xfinity, so compatibility won't be a worry. Overall, the TP-Link Archer AX21 is a beginner-friendly router that combines high performance, reliability, and security in a straightforward package, making it a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their home Wi-Fi network with minimal hassle. Number 2. NETGEAR Router for Beginners. The NETGEAR Nighthawk router is ideal for beginners who want fast, reliable internet with minimal setup. Designed specifically for cable internet providers like Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox, it offers speeds up to 2.7 gigabits per second using dual-band Wi-Fi 6 EX2700 technology. With coverage reaching up to 2,000 square feet and support for 25 devices simultaneously, it's well-suited for medium-sized homes with multiple users. The 4 gigabit Ethernet ports, including port aggregation support, along with a USB 3.0 port, provide flexibility for connecting wired devices such as computers, game consoles, or storage drives. NETGEAR's Armor cybersecurity suite offers robust protection against hackers, malware, and identity theft, enhancing the security of your home network. The DOCSIS 3.1 standard and 32 by 8-channel bonding ensure that the router maximizes the capabilities of your cable internet connection. One of the standout features is that it replaces the need for a separate cable modem, helping users save on equipment rental fees, sometimes up to $168 per year. Additionally, the Nighthawk app makes setup, monitoring, and management simple, even for beginners with little networking knowledge. Overall, this NETGEAR router balances speed, coverage, and security, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy high-speed internet, safe browsing, and convenient device management without the complications of advanced networking setups. Number 3. TP-Link B6500 Router for Beginners. The TP-Link B6500 is a futuristic Wi-Fi 7 router that redefines performance for home networks, especially for tech-savvy beginners. Featuring multi-link operation, MLO, multi-RS, and 4K QAM, this router offers lightning-fast speeds up to 6.5 gigabits per second across dual bands, ensuring ultra-smooth 4K per 8K streaming, AR/VR gaming, and fast downloads. The B6500 supports 6 simultaneous streams, handling multiple devices efficiently, making it perfect for families with numerous smart devices or remote workers. Its 6x high-performance antennas, combined with beamforming technology, provide up to 2,400 square feet of strong, reliable coverage for up to 90 devices, eliminating dead zones and maintaining stable connections even in larger homes. Wired performance is also exceptional, with one 2.5 gigabits per second WLAN/LAN port, one 2.5 gigabits per second LAN port, and 3 1 gigabit per second LAN ports, allowing high-speed data transfers and easy integration with multi-gig modems. The router is built with security in mind, following the CISA Secure by Design pledge, ensuring advanced protection from cyber threats. Beginners will appreciate the easy setup process and the future-proof features, which allow them to enjoy cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 performance without worrying about compatibility with newer devices. Overall, the TP-Link B6500 combines speed, coverage, multi-device management, and robust security, making it an ideal router for beginners seeking a reliable and future-ready home networking solution. Number 4. TP-Link B3600 Router for Beginners. The TP-Link B3600 Wi-Fi 7 router is a perfect choice for beginners aiming to future-proof their home network. With multi-link operation, multi-RS, and 4K QAM technology, it delivers up to 3.6 gigabits per second total speed, including 2,882 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band and 688 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. This makes streaming, gaming, and downloads seamless across multiple devices. Dual 2.5 gigabits per second WAN/LAN ports and 3 1 gigabit per second LAN ports allow users to fully utilize gigabit internet connections for multiple wire devices. Equipped with a next-gen 2.0 GHz quad-core processor, the router handles high throughput effortlessly, eliminating lag and minimizing latency during heavy data transfers. The B3600 ensures strong Wi-Fi coverage using 4 high-performance antennas with beamforming technology, while Easy Mesh support allows seamless whole-home mesh networks, reducing dead zones and improving signal consistency. TP-Link Home Shield enhances security, providing robust parental controls and real-time IoT protection. Beginners will find setup intuitive, and the router's performance ensures reliable connections for everyday use, including streaming 4K content, video conferencing, and online gaming. Its advanced features, combined with future-ready Wi-Fi 7 technology, make it a long-lasting investment for anyone seeking a stable, high-speed, and secure home network. Overall, the B3600 is a user-friendly, high-performance router that balances cutting-edge technology with ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to upgrade their Wi-Fi experience without worrying about technical complexities. Number 5. TP-Link B9300 Router for Beginners. The TP-Link B9300 is a premium tri-band Wi-Fi 7 router designed to deliver ultimate performance, especially for beginners who want an advanced yet easy-to-use network solution. With multi-link operation, multi-RS, 4K, QAM, and 320 MHz channels, it offers blazing speeds of 5,760 megabits per second on the 6 GHz band, 2,880 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band. This ensures smooth 4K per 8K streaming, immersive AR/VR gaming, and ultra-fast downloads, even with multiple devices connected. Its Easy Mesh capability allows users to extend coverage by adding compatible routers, range extenders, or wireless powerline adapters, creating a seamless whole-home network with minimal dead zones. The B9300 is equipped with one 2.5G WAN port and 4 2.5G LAN ports, making it future-proof and capable of handling high-speed connections for multiple wire devices. TP-Link's proprietary Wi-Fi optimization, combined with 6 strategically positioned antennas and beamforming technology, enhances connection stability, reduces interference, and provides higher capacity. Home Shield offers robust parental controls and real-time IoT security, allowing beginners to protect their home network easily. A private IoT network adds an additional layer of security for smart devices. Overall, the TP-Link B9300 combines ultra-fast performance, extensive coverage, advanced connectivity features, and strong security, making it a future-ready, beginner-friendly router that can handle demanding home networking needs effortlessly. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.